What's up mga best friend for life? Good morning, definitely. Today is another video and welcome to my vlog. I might sound something like weird because you know what guys, daming trend na nauso ngayon. But trangkaso pa ako nasabay. Tomorrow is Christmas and I'm pretty sure that 2023 feels like sadness, grief, and more, but not at all. You know what guys, it's always choose to be happy, not receiving negative energies. No, even though what happens through your life, kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo this 2023, it's not, it doesn't matter to, pagsalubong ng Pasko because you know what, a Christmas should be, happy lang, and it's something like positive energy, positive vibes, and positive auras. And you know what, do not let negative energies through your, through your house, through your life and stuff. So today, this is just a short video guys, and abangan nyo yung mga vlog ko, like reaction video siya guys, like may kabuluhan, hindi lang puro, buhay ko, diba? Anyway, please like this video and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe me on YouTube. Yung mga upcoming video ko guys is more on reaction video guys sa TikTok, and that's definitely my niche guys, my content talaga sa YouTube channel ko, whereas doon ako nag-viral. And also guys, thank you so much guys doon sa mga nagstay in pa lang, I mean nagstay kahit hindi ako active sa YouTube guys. And yeah, I'm very happy guys that hindi tayo na demonetize. Anyway, thank you so much guys, and don't forget to support me always every time I posted a new video. Wala ako kapag wala kayo. Okay, thank you so much guys sa support, and always share my videos, always like my videos, and always watch my videos till the end. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you babies. Bye.